So when we talk about acquired immunity can be of two types: actively acquired and passively acquired. Actively acquired, that means, as the word says, active. When your body is active, and when your body is active, of course your body will produce its own antibodies. Yes. So this kind of immunity which we acquire when our body is producing its own antibodies, we call it as active immunity. Okay. Again, this active immunity can be of two types. See here: naturally acquired active immunity and artificially acquired active immunity. Naturally acquired active immunity is when we are we are infected by any virus or germ, and our body is producing antibodies, and that germ cannot produce its symptom inside our body. Such kind of immunity is called as naturally acquired active immunity. We will just combine these three terms: naturally acquired active immunity. Okay. Or the other way around, we can also call it as that actively acquired natural immunity. Okay. So but I would prefer that you call it as naturally acquired active immunity. That will be the term we will be using further. Now here what happens once, see, if first time, whenever the germ enter into the body, the very first time it will create its infection. You will be having this infection, but when the infection will be there in the body, your body will be sensitized and you will produce your own antibodies. And once you have produced your own antibodies, the first time there will be an infection, you will be for the next times you will not be having those kind of infections in your body. Why? Because now you have your antibodies ready. Okay. So such kind of immunity where actually the first time you are getting the infection, but this infection produces antibodies, and further, if next time in your lifetime this particular bacteria or germ is again entering your body, you are now have your antibodies ready. So that particular bacteria or germ will not be able to produce any ill effect on your body this time, because it has already done it the previous time, and you have your soldiers ready. So as soon as these again enter into your body, your soldiers specific to that particular diseases are there, that particular germ is there. So the moment they enter the body next time, they are killed by your own antibodies and are not producing any ill effect. Clear? Okay. Now the second type of active immunity is the artificially acquired active immunity. Artificially acquired means when your body is not producing any antibody, but you are being given the vaccines. What are vaccines? Vaccines are dead germs, non-sensitized, dead, killed, or weakened germs which are introduced into the body. And when they are introduced into the body, they are producing certain kind of effect, not as big as, not as serious as the normal bacteria or the germs, but a little bit. So there is a little bit sensitization of the cells, but this little bit sensitization also wakes up, awakens our body cells, and our body cells are producing these antibodies. So how we have generated this kind of immunity? By the introduction of vaccines. So this is also actually why we call it active, because ultimately your body cell is producing its own antibodies. And when and how they are producing their antibodies? When there is a vaccine being introduced. That vaccine, that is why it is being said that when a child is being vaccinated, the child may develop certain effects, certain symptoms like fever or cough or cold. Why? Because these are the effects of the vaccine. Because of course, obviously, if when the germs which are there in the vaccine are less effective, they are dead, weakened, but then also they may produce certain ill effects on the body which are not to that extent, but of course to sensitize the antibodies. So that is very much important, that there lies a great importance of these vaccines to sensitize the cells of the body so that they can produce their antibodies and they can restrict the activity. Once the antibodies are produced in the body, then next time when the real germ is entering, our body will be responding to those real germs and will be killing them then and there without letting them to produce any ill effect. Okay, so that is artificially acquired active immunity.